What's good, everybody? My name is Jay Fatty. Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to start talking about some music theory, all right? So first things first is we're going to talk about chord codes because that is one of the easiest ways to learn music theory without even having to really learn it. Now, shout out Busy Works Beats. I learned this years ago from that man. He's a legend. If you don't know who Busy Works Beats is, definitely go check Busy Works Beats out. Link will be in the description. But chord codes, okay, so minor, it follows the chord code 037. What does that mean? Well, 0 is your root note or your first note. So say we're going for an A minor chord. I'd start on A. That'd be my zero point. So I'd put a note there. And then I'd count up, okay? Count up the piano roll. So if it's 037, I want to go to 3 next. So here's 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That would be an A minor chord. Okay? And then major is 047. So it's the same thing, except that 3 is up 1 to a 4. So we would have this C go to C sharp. That would just be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's very simple. All it takes is you counting, and this is the same pattern for everything. So since this is a 047 already, if we just drag this to an E, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, that's already on E major. Drag it to an F, that's on F major. D, that will already be on D major. So the music theory, the piano roll kind of follows like a pattern, all right? If it was in minor, this chord, wherever we put it, would be a minor chord. E, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, that's an E minor chord, all right? So keep that in mind. It makes making chords so easy. So if you're just trying to make an A minor chord progression, you can just follow this. Now, obviously, it would help to know what chords are in each scale. Now, if we're going A minor, that just means it's all white notes. So whereas some of the chords are major, some are minor, but that gets more into a little bit more advanced music theory. But I have this sheet right here that tells me in A minor, all the chords are A minor, C major, D minor, E minor, F major, G major, and then A minor again. So knowing that, I can make my own chord progression. But essentially, if you didn't know that, you would just hit all the white notes because that's all A minor is. So you would just try to find something cool. So we'll go like A minor to E minor. And since this is the same pattern, we can just copy it down. E minor to G minor. See, that has a sharp, so that means it's probably not correct. It's not G minor, it's a G major. And then we bring that G major down, but then we bring that G major down to a D, but it's still not right because it's got a sharp there. And like I said, we know A minor is only the white keys. We can just bring this sharp down. Or up if we wanted to. But we'll keep it in the minor. Just like that, you can get a simple chord progression. So don't be sleeping on using the chord codes. Just burn those into your memory. Minor is 037, major is 047. All right? Yeah, that's pretty much it. If this video brought you value, please leave a like, hit subscribe, and hit the little bell. Make sure you stay safe, stay striving, and always be getting it. Much love, y'all. Peace.